The I-4 Ultimate project has seen major improvements in 2020, all along the entire 21-mile corridor. The I-4 State Road 408 interchange is at the heart of downtown Orlando, so it was very important that this interchange get a major makeover as part of the I-4 Ultimate project.
This is a huge milestone for the community here in Central Florida. I-4 is the backbone of transportation here in the area, so connecting two major roadways of the 408 and I-4 interchange, where almost 200,000 drivers use daily, is huge for everyone in this area.
New flyover ramps make this interchange at State Road 408 and I-4 much easier to navigate. All movements between I-4 and 408 have their own ramps, improving safety by eliminating the weaving patterns created by vehicles moving between different ramps. To learn more, visit i4ultimate.com.